Hi, I'm Stephanie with Garden Tap. Let's build a plant box. Your plant box will come with instructions, but we've broken it down to a simple step-by-step process to make it easier for you. Before we begin, make sure you have all your parts. They have been numbered 1 through 10 to make for an easy assembly. Step number 1. We're going to start with our first piece, the main trough, and we're going to attach sides 2 and 3. Simply slide and click. Step 2. Once we've attached both sides, we are going to move on to our shelves. We're going to take our plastic shelf and the capillary felt, and we're going to thread it through the slots. You want to leave about 50% on one side and 50% on the other side. This is going to help draw that water upward into the soil. Insert the shelf directly into the basin there. It should sit right on top. Once those shelves are inserted, we're going to take our long piece of felt and layer across the top. Step 3, we're going to insert our float right into the pre-made grooves here. This is going to help indicate when we need to re-water that soil. Step 4, we're going to insert part 6 right into the side here to help divide that water source from our soil. At this point, we're also going to take part 10 and we're actually going to clip it onto the back here and clip it to the center here. This is going to help hold our box together. Step 5 is going to be inserting part 7, our water filter. So we're just going to clip that on here and slide it into place. You've just successfully built your plant box. Now, if you are assembling multiples in order to stack them, at this point is where you're going to take your part 8. Part 8 is your simple insert clips. You're going to insert them into your 4 corners, and then you can simply add your plant box one on top of the other. And there you have it, just a few simple steps to build your plant box. Happy planting!